Just trying a little sharpening exercise on a Manly D2 blade. So it's a little blunt. It's almost shaving. So that was, this bit here is removing hairs a little bit better than this bit here. Yeah, definitely. So this bit here is a little bit sharper than that bit. So I will put the finest diamond stone I've got on it from DMT. This is the finest I can find using. This is their coarse, their medium, and the green is their finest. And just compared to 5,000 grit sandpaper on the ALLHONE. So I will try and get this portion here sharp on this diamond to start with. I'll do a circular motion because I think that best suits these round thingies they have there. Looks like I've got a bit of a polish there. See the black coming off? You can definitely hear it working. Shouldn't be too unblunt because it sharpened it up. It's not removing here though like that. You've got to get in there and really work it up. See if it'll get it any sharper than that. I always find it odd how people need those guides and that to hold their sharpeners. I mean, can't you just do it by hand? Sorry if I've offended anybody, but it's improved a little bit. Just starting to scrape, so a little bit more. I should have actually timed how long I spent on it, I suppose. It's definitely taking the stuff out, the iron off. Yep, so that's shaving sharp for that bit there. Right, this is actually a German 5,000 grit. This one's a Japanese one. I think they're both supposed to be silicon carbide, I think. You've got to be a little bit more careful on the paper. You don't slice the paper. A little bit more delicate. And I've got to use a little bit more angle as well, so it will be a little bit more difficult to sharpen on the curve. It's a little bit thicker there up by the point than it is on the let's see what that's like. That's already scraping, so it's already ahead of that one in terms of effort to get it to sharpen. it's actually grabbing on it, so you can sort of sense it's getting sharp. Okay, so the same place that we were at with the green one. Yeah. So it's probably, well, I mean it is a 5,000 grit. This is coarser, but it's, you know, it's at least a third to half as fast compared to the diamond stone on the ALLHONE to get the chap. Normally towards the end of it anyway, I just, instead of that round motion, I just finish it with like that. Just a few swipes like that. Now the Japanese one, it's kind of weird. It's supposed to be 5,000, but it cuts a little bit faster. So that's, you know, really, see, it's still not as sharp down in this section here. Not quite as sharp anyway. So the Japanese one actually seems to be a little bit coarser than the German one, even though they're supposed to be the same grit. I'll see if just doing that on that will make much of a difference. Do about 10 on each side. Might have been a bit out of camera. Sort of running out of fare on this arm here. Yeah, see, actually that improved it. Sometimes when you put a little bit of bit more tooth on it, it will actually improve the shaving. At least on arms anyway. I don't know if you're going to shave any other part of your body with it, but whatever. But yeah, putting a little bit of tooth on the edge with a bit of, you know, a bit of a coarser one, you know, it helps with shaving, but it really also helps when you know, cutting up an animal or something like that. You know, that serrated steak, micro steak knife on the edge of your blade. You know what a steak knife is like compared to using, you know, a smooth edge for cutting meat. The steak knife is obviously better.